Hello, you are welcome to my channel. The question here says, in a regular polygon, each exterior angle is 20 degrees. Find the A. Interior angle, B. Number of sides, and C. Sum of its interior angles. Now, for us to solve this, we need to remember the rule that says that interior angle and exterior angle lie on a straight line. So let's take the interior angle to be x. Let's take each interior angle to be x. So x plus the exterior angle, because they lie on a straight line, sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180. So because they lie on a straight line, their sum add up to 180. So for each exterior angle and each interior angle, they lie on a straight line and their addition gives 180. So from there, I can obtain the exterior angle as 180 minus 20. When this positive 20 crosses to that side, it becomes negative 20. And then the interior angle is 160 degrees. So that is the value of each interior angle of the polygon. Now, the second question, let's move to the B part of the question. Now, the B part of the question, as we can see, is asking us to find the number of sides of the polygon. Now, we should also remember that each exterior angle of a polygon, of a regular polygon, multiplied by the number of sides, let's take n as the number of sides, it should be equal to 360 degrees. Don't forget, each exterior angle multiplied by the number of sides of the polygon will be equal to 360. So from there, we can divide both sides by 20. Divide both sides by 20. And then 20 cancel 20. So we are left with n on this side, which is the number of sides. And that is equal to 0 cancel 0. 36 divided by 2 will give us 18. So the polygon has 18 sides. So this is the method for finding the number of sides when the exterior angle is given. Now, finally, the last question, which is question C, says find the sum of its interior angle. So don't forget that from A, each interior angle is 160 as obtained in A. So now each interior angle, which is 160, multiplied by the number of sides, will give us the total sum of the interior angles of a polygon. So the interior angle has 18 sides and each interior angle is 160. So 160 multiplied by the number of sides, which is 18, that will give us the sum of angle in the polygon, which is 2,880 as the final answer. So please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified of any video I create. And then like the video as well and make your comment. If you have any question, I'll attend to all comments. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.